I did do. Come on.
Hey girlies. Welcome back. Okay, today okay, welcome back. If by chance you clicked on this video and you have not read the title, today I'm gonna be attempting to do like salon quality knotless braids in my hair. I've given myself a 3-day window to do this properly. I've never done knotless braids. A good attempt at knotless braids. I've always done like box braids. So this is my first serious attempt at knotless braids, and I need this to work because this is for my birthday. Even though I'm playing, this is for my birthday. Even though I was like, first things first. Today I'm gonna spend this entire day sectioning and parting my hair. I feel like if these sections are clean, the braids themselves, if it's a little lumpy, like it could pass, you know. But if these sections are messy and the braids are a little lumpy, it's not gonna pass. It's gonna look like no.
Good party.
What you mean you don't know Panda? She's dope.
What you mean? What you mean?
Anyways, let's get started with that part.
3, 4.
Legs, face, eyes, thin, waist, thick, thighs, you.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get your knotless knots braids all the same size, and there's only gonna require 2 packs of hair. I'm gonna use a total of 4 bundles to complete this look.
Here it goes. I am the best person in the entire world. I do not remember anybody asking. Like, this is just the beginning. We must remain calm. Why does this happen to me? I've barely been anywhere and the comb just disappeared. Oh, look at it. The first part that she did is sectioning the back from the front, and that is ear to ear, so over the head, and that is what I was working on here. Okay, that's just sectioning. Now I have to make it look decent. Okay, let's do this. Shine and jam. And then I decided that I had to do a mirror setup, right? But the thing is, my bed was against the wall and I was sitting on my bed, so where would the mirror go behind me? So I got a blanket that I don't really care much for, laid it on my bed, and I put a tripod on the blanket, and then I put a mirror on the tripod. But like, not the dirty tripod on my bed. There was a blanket in between. Y'all don't care. But yeah, mirror setup to see the back of my head while I did that ear to ear part. Oh my gosh, I can't tell which direction I'm going, please. Okay. Oh my, I'm disoriented. Okay. This is absolutely ridiculous. You could kind of see the part here. Honestly, this was such a struggle. My neck was killing me. My eyes were killing me. I'll be back after I get this one single part done. But we kind of made it happen. I don't know, this part's kind of satisfying. That single part of like ear to ear took a great deal of stress and time. And this is the setup. Mirror there, this is the full length mirror, and then mirror on a tripod. I feel kind of dizzy from bending my eyes that much. You can see all this sweat on my nose. Like, that was a real workout. So, and the next section she does is down the middle, so I'm just gonna put it back away. Part with the big comb first.
Material girl. And I get it from my mammy, Balmain. Bust down, these hoes can't stand me. Material girl. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile pussy popping with your man in Miami.
Okay, honestly, my eyes kind of hurt. I'm gonna take a break, but this is what I did. Kind of recommend 5 on each side, but I did 4 on each side. I don't know. I'm gonna look back at this clip and see if I did like a really good job, because that's like the first overview that I did. I'll just do one on my phone, but I'm gonna take a break and then we're gonna be back. I think that part should not be too difficult for me. The back of my head is not really a problem. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay, it's time. I'm gonna use this tray because she uses a tray too. I think I have an idea of the size of the sections. I'm really doing knotless braids instead of box braids. Knotless. Do I know how to do knotless? Knotless. This size, I believe, is this size she had. She said to do a test braid to see that it's the right size you want, but yo, y'all, I'm about to do a braid. I took all my nails off. We're going for the grip. And I sectioned 3 braids in the back. I put this one up because it was kind of getting in the way. Hold in this and then add this section of hair. Girl, I don't know how to do knotless. That doesn't feel right. It's like my hair is like this and it's so thin, so you can definitely tell. Okay. I'm taking this braid out. With my portable tray. Oh, you can't even see. This is my tray of hair. I only did 1.5 pack. I just slid it across so I can move this mirror and put it where the tray was. I don't even have to tell you where I started to add hair, because anybody with eyes could see where I started to add hair. Okay, don't pay too much attention to this part. Yes, I'm kind of plaiting it, but wait until the end of the video, near the end of my hair, where I actually caught on to a technique on how to do this. So I'm not gonna tutorial y'all right now, because how I did this was not the right way, I don't think. First braid. It might be giving medium. It was supposed to be giving medium, but it might be giving medium. Don't worry about my baby hairs in the back. Actually, now is a good time to pull out the phone camera to check that everything is in place and going well, because the mirror setup isn't always great, but the phone camera captures like a good point of view, like IRL. Do y'all see that? Do you see that? I mean, she is a student of panel. Come on now. Come on now. Tell me how you feel about this braid, because I'll tell you how I feel right now. Like the one below it, yeah, you could see errors. We're not talking about you. We are talking about her. Tell me how you feel about this braid. You know what? Let me stop, because I was hyping up my past and I looked back and I was like, what are you hyping up right now? Some more braids on this back section, and I'm gonna take a break to eat. Look at the layers. Look at the layers. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is day 2 of doing this, and I actually feel like I might finish it today, because last night I went through and I sectioned off every single box and I bantu knotted it, and that resulted in the absolute worst sleep that I've ever had in my entire life. That's a reach. The worst sleep I've ever had is when I got full locks. Girl, them full locks hurted. And I got them like when full locks just started becoming a trend. So the braider who did it, it was the first time doing it on me, so she did them pretty tight before the loose butterfly full locks look came in. So yeah, this has to be like the second worst, but it's just because of the bantu knots, because knotless, pretty loose, and I think I achieved the knotless. What do you guys think? The reason why I sectioned off every single box is because, one, I got tired of actually braiding, but I wanted to make some progress, and 2, this happened right here. It goes up instead of going straight, and I could have corrected that, but to correct it I have to take out the entire braid. So the good thing about doing the bantu knots is that to correct something, you just take out the bantu knot and then correct it before you braid it. But I didn't notice that until I went to the second braid on this side. So yeah, double mirror setup going on. And I brought my big boy mirror outside, so I'm just gonna continue braiding. The way my hands. Okay, this is the part of the video where I get to show you guys my actual technique that I learned while doing this. The back of my hair unfortunately was not done in the exact same way that I did it here, but this is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is how I did it. I don't know how it's done, but this is how I did it. I started my braid. I just did like the first twist. I cannot explain this if you don't know how to braid, because I myself I don't know how to teach people how to braid. If you know how to do the 3 strands twist, this will make sense to you. So I did the very first 3 strand, like doop, and then I added hair. And then I do again, and then I added hair. Let me tell y'all why I added hair. I added hair to the 2 outer pieces. that's all I could explain. Like, you know, you have 3, I added hair to these 2, and then I doop, and then I added hair to these 2 again, and then I doop. So I braid for like 3 more, and then I add the last piece of hair. Pana added 5 pieces in total, but I only added 3, and that's why my braids came out kind of looking small. But yeah, you'll see in the end. Last one. I'm finished. I used about halfway. Let's get the lighting right. That's how much left. So yeah, like about half of the mini shine and jam. And I don't understand how I only use 1 pack and like some, because this, I have this left back and I have the other half of the second pack left back. So like I barely use the pack and some, but like the braids are really small. Don't judge them right now, I'm not finished. I can't believe this is a pack and a half. Like, it does not make sense logically. Like, it's giving natural, laid back, not like heavy braids, you know. I used 2.5 bundles of Super TZ Braid Expressions 100% Connect-A-Lon, a pack and a quarter. Yeah, because 2 bundles come in a pack. This is the second pack. You can see I only use half of the bundle. You're doing your braids and you're not doing the hot, and you're skipping the hot water. Stop it. Stop it. You're so kind of good. You can count on golden hour to make me look like I did do. Cause I did the do. Come on. Almost to it. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. If I look back at this clip and it's getting everything done, I'll be embarrassed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is gonna be, and also check out the video from last week that I did to prep my hair for this hairstyle. It's a lot going on the channel. Stay tuned. Bye. So I showed up to the dance floor and I took off my earrings. I did a kick into a split and showed that it was missing. Like, do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
Somewhere on a desktop leaves the zip file mixtape of the next Pac kid.